Good day everyone, I'm Arian Carpio and I'm the leader of our group. Today we are going to present our business plan. Our business name is Freshco and our product is Mango Tapioca Drink. So let's start for the executive summary. Freshco po ay isang beverage business na nag-focus sa pag-offer ng refreshing and high-quality drinks. This drink po is creamy and flavorful dahil gawa siya sa fresh mangoes combined with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and chewy tapioca pearls. Perfect siya lalo na during hot weather. Ang business namin is nag-ooperate siya as sole proprietorship owned by Arian, which is ako po, together with our team na tumutulong sa preparations and selling ng products. Dahil hands-on kami sa operations, nami-maintain po namin yung quality and consistency ng product namin. So for our ingredients naman po, kumukuha kami sa local public market where fresh and affordable materials po is available doon. Nakakatulong po siya para ma-maintain namin yung freshness while keeping our cost efficient and our prices is affordable. So next naman, for the origins of the business name, ang name na Freshco po is nanggaling siya sa salitang fresh, na nagsisimbolize ang freshness ng ingredients and quality ng drinks namin. So, dinagdag po namin yung ko para mabigyan ng impressions ng company at professionalism. So, pinili namin yung pangalan na to dahil binapakita niya na ang business namin is nag-aalok ng freshly made at high-quality beverage na appealing sa customers. Next naman natin is the nature of the business. So, ang Freshco po ay isang beverage business na nag-ooperate sa food and beverage industry. Ang main focus namin is paggawa at pagbenta ng mango tapioca drinks. Naggawa siya sa fresh mangoes at creamy ingredients na may halong tapioca pearl. Ang business namin is nagpo-provide siya ng refreshing at affordable drinks na suitable para sa students at ibang customers na mahilig sa fruity beverage. So, nag-ooperate kami through a stall setup kung saan direct namin binibenta yung product namin sa customers. With the goal of offering a satisfying and enjoyable drinks experiences. Next naman natin is forms of organizations. Ang Freshco is naka-structure siya sa sole proprietorship na pagmamayari ni Arian Carpio, which is ako. Ibig sabihin nun, isang owner ang may full control and responsibility sa business. May assistance din mula sa team members na tumutulong sa preparations at selling ng products. Importante dito yung teamwork dahil nagkakaroon ng cooperations at shared responsibilities sa pagmamanage ng operations. Through collaborations, mas nagiging efficient yung paggawa at pagbenta ng product. So, overall, ang form ng organizations ng Freshco ay simple lang pero effective. Nakabase siya sa leadership ng owner at support ng team para ma-achieve yung smooth business operations. Next naman is vision. So, ang visions namin is maging isang recognized beverage brand na nag-offer ng refreshing and high-quality fruit-based drinks. Layunin namin na nagbigay ng beverage na enjoyable at satisfying habang pinapakita namin yung freshness, creativity at customer satisfactions bawat cup. Next naman is mission. Ang mission namin is mag-provide ng masarap at refreshing mango-based drinks na gawa sa quality ingredients habang sinsure namin ang customer satisfactions, affordability at consistent product quality. Next is para sa core values, nakapokus kami sa customer-centered service kung saan inuuna namin yung mga satisfactions ng customers. Sinusunod namin ang integrity sa pamamagitan ng honesty and transparency sa business. Bukod dito, may innovations kami sa pag-develop ng products at may quality excellence kami para masigurong fresh ingredients at magandang taste ang bawat drink sa aming inahanda. For the objectives of the business, alam naman natin na maraming common na drinks tulad ng milk tea, fruit shakes. Kami, layunin namin na magbigay ng mas affordable at mango-based options na may combination siya ng sweetness at chewy texture. So kami, ang main objective namin is gumawa at mag-market ng product na may unique combinations ng fresh mango at tapioca pearls. Tapos mag-differentiate sa competitors at makabuo ng strong brand presence at makapag-achieve ng steady sales growth. So bukod dito, layunin din namin na mag-offer ng convenient at enjoyable na drink na makakapag-satisfy ng cravings ng customers namin. Industry analysis naman, yung Freshco is nasa beverage industry siya dahil patuloy na lumalaki dahil sa demandang refreshing at unique drinks. Meron kaming opportunity dahil mas maraming consumer yung naghahanap ng alternative sa soft drinks saka sa coffee. Tapos, ang main challenges lang namin is low consumer awareness, high competitions mula sa ibang beverage shops, tapos product acceptance dahil sa differences ng preference ng customer sa taste, sweetness, at texture. Tapos, sa positive side naman namin, gumagamit yung Freshco ng local Mango Fresh na nakakatulong siya sa mga local suppliers. Para mag-succeed naman, kailangan namin ng effective marketing, clear target market, at consistent high-quality products.
General business strategy. Freshco offers an affordable agri-refreshing mango tapioca drink by improving production efficiency, ensuring quality, and reducing waste. The business uses social media promotion, free tasting, delivery services, and loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. Customer surveys are also conducted to improve product development, pricing, and overall satisfaction. The SWOT analysis shows that the Mango Tapioca drink is a unique, affordable, and refreshing product that appeals especially to young and health-conscious customers. However, its preparation can be time-consuming, maintaining consistent quality may be challenging, and customer awareness is still limited. There are opportunities for the business to expand by using social media, reaching new markets, and introducing new flavors. On the other hand, it may face threats such as the seasonal availability of mangoes, increasing ingredients costs, and competition from similar beverages. Overall, this analysis helps the business understand its strength and weakness while finding ways to grow and stay positive. Elements of the logo. The Mango Tapioca logo features a clear cup filled with mango drink and tapioca pearls at the bottom. Highlighting the product's main ingredients, the design uses bright yellow and orange colors to represent freshness and sweetness. The business name is placed clearly in a simple and playful font, making the logo attractive and easy to remember.
Production process. The process starts with preparing ingredients, cooking tapioca, and organizing the orders. The products are assembled, packed, and checked for the quality, delivered, and also the payments are collected to ensure the efficiency and the consistency. And for the quality check, each product is carefully checked for ingredients freshness, proper preparation, and also the hygiene and accurate proportions. Cleanliness, sealing, and order accuracy are verified to maintain the high quality standard. For the suppliers, the business works with trusted suppliers for fresh fruits, tapioca ingredients, and the packaging materials. These suppliers ensure the timely delivery, consistency, quality, and affordable cost.
For the ingredients, condensed milk quality is 20 pieces, purchases price is 39, unit price is 39, extension cost is 780. For evaporated milk, 19 pieces, purchase prices is 35, unit price is 35, extension cost is 66. For all-purpose cream, 8 pieces, purchase is 45 unit, price is 45, extension cost is 450, for tapioca pearl is 500 grams, purchases price is 76, unit price is 76, extension cost is 76. For yellow mango is 200 kilogram, purchase price is 100 unit, price is 100, extension cost for 200. For ice cubes is 10 plastic, purchases price 10, unit prices is 10, extension cost is 100. For paper cups for 12 ounce is 100 pieces, purchases price is 84, unit price is 0.84, extension cost is 84. For sticker is 100 pieces, purchases price is 120 unit, for prices is 1.20, extension cost is 120. For stove, the extension cost is 300 with a total of 3,000 For yield is 100 and the cost per pieces is 30. Hosting. Our mango tapioca is priced at 45 pesos per cup. Considering production effort and labor, we use a cost-plus pricing strategy, adding a markup to ensure the price remain reasonable and affordable. Packaging. We choose a paper cup as the best packaging option dahil mas attractive po siya tingnan and nakaka-appeal siya sa customer. And we ensure po na safe ito and hindi madaling matapon or masira. And also, we use eco-friendly po siya dahil biodegradable kaya swak po siya dahil sa goals namin na maging sustainable. Is a proper waste management by turning mango peels and tapioca into organic compost instead of throwing them away. And also, we use a biodegradable paper cups. Ibig sabihin lang po is madaling mabulok at hindi nakakasama sa environment kumpara sa plastic. And we also follow a clean disposal and hygiene standard use. The FIFO known for first in first out method kung saan yung mga naunang stock and unang ginamit para hindi masayang o ma-expired at para mas mabawasan pa po ang waste and nag-offer din po kami ng discount sa mga malapit nang ma-expire na products para mabili pa po ito. And
for our target market, so yung target namin dito is lahat, hindi lang sa isang age group, pwede din sa students, professionals, families, at kahit sino na gusto ng masarap and refreshing na drink. So, perfect din po ito sa mga health conscious kasi fresh mango and natural ingredients yung ginamit namin dito. And also, yung target din namin dito is yung mga resellers and small businesses na gusto mag-offer ng unique beverages. And the next slide is the customer's motivation to buy. So, bakit nga ba sila bibili? Dahil affordable and refreshing yung drink namin and maganda rin ito sa mga gusto ng healthy options kasi fresh and natural yung ingredients nito. So, gusto din namin masatisfy yung iba't ibang taste and preferences kahit bata man or matanda. And the next slide is the advertising and promotion. So, gumamit kami dito ng digital marketing, in-store promotion, and seasonal campaigns para makilala pa yung brand namin. And also, may discount kami na buy one get one, special promos, and loyalty cards para bumalik-balik pa ulit yung mga customers namin. And yung goal namin dito is dumami yung mga customers namin and lumakas pa yung sales namin. And the next one is the pricing. So, yung selling price namin dito is 45 pesos per cup. And yung production cost naman namin is 30 pesos. So, may profit kami dito na 15 pesos bawat isa. So, affordable siya. Pero at the same time, kumikita pa din naman yung business namin. Next is the distribution strategy. So, bibenta namin yung products namin sa loob ng school gamit ang kiosk para madaling puntahan. And pwede rin kami mag-partner sa mga resellers para mas marami pang maabot na customers habang sinisigurado namin na maganda pa rin yung quality ng drinks namin.
Location and layout. Our store layout, location of the store or stall. Freshco is located in a high-traffic area in Cabanatuan City, making it easily accessible to customers. The location helps attract students, employees, and families looking for an affordable and refreshing drink. Customer can purchase in-store, ensuring convenience and wider reach.
My name is Jonalyn Alimbango, and now we will tackle about the organizational plan. For our General Manager, Arian Joy Carfio. For our cooking staff, Casey Flores and Rizal Mateo. For our server is Shina Maria Areza and Jonalyn Alimbango. For our cashier is Edith May Bachan. And for our cleaning staff is Jenny Nicole Bagatila and Magdalene Candelario. For our roles and responsibilities of the personnel, each staff has a specific jobs. The manager leads, the cook prepares food, the server will help customer, the cashier handles the payment, and the cleaners to keep the place clean. For our salaries and benefits of the personnel, this shows how much each positions earn monthly, along with benefits like SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth, and the skills and qualifications needed for each job. For our rules and regulations of the business promote respect, good service, and teamwork. The staff must follow cleanliness, proper hygiene, quality standards, and proper waste disposal to satisfy the customer. Freshco uses a step-by-step system, warning, counseling, suspension, and finally termination, to address repeated rule violations and give employees chance to improve.
For our financial plan, letter A assumption, manufacturing company. Number 1, on average, the business will operate 5 days a week with two rest days for the staff to maintain productivity and proper management of the business. Number 2, the business will prepare and sell batches of mango tapioca drink each operating day to ensure fresh and high-quality drinks for customers. Number 3, through continuous daily sales, the owners will able to save profit to improve and expand the business. Number 4, Freshco aims to gain more regular customer because of its affordable price and quality drinks. And lastly, in the future, Freshco plans to invest in better equipment to improve the production and service of the business. For our startup capitals, during our first year, we have 500 each, and second year, we have 1,500 each, and the third year is we have 2,000 each. Each owner initially contribute 500 pesos to purchase raw materials for starting the business. By delivering quality product and services, we aim to achieve financial stability. As profits accumulate over time, we will increase our supply of mango tapioca to fulfill all orders. Additionally, we plan to invest in more advanced equipment using additional capital. Our equipment per stall. For our equipment, we have 10, quantity 1, unit price 5,000, total price 5,000. Table, quantity 1, unit price 720, total price 720. Display cabinet, quantity 1, unit price 3,500, total price 3,500. In total, we have 10,220. For our basic equipment for cooking, for our equipment, we have can opener, 2 can opener, unit price 120, total price 240. For our scissor, we have 3 scissors, unit price 50 pesos, total price 150. For our strainer, we have 1 strainer, unit price 100, total price 100. For our container, we have 3 container, unit price 80, total price 240. In total, we have 730. Freshco has 8 proprietors who contribute equally and share profits equally. However, a 20% share per owner totals 160% of profits, which is not feasible. The profit split or number of owners need adjustment to align to 100%. Our sample calculation of estimated sales. In our place, Talavera, Gabaldon, Cabanatuan. Date, February 20. Size of mango tapioca, 12 ounce. Quantity, 50 pieces. And sales, 2,250. So, in total, we have 18,000. For our sample calculation of estimated sales, in our place, Talavera, Gabaldon, Cabanatuan. Date, February 20. Size of mango tapioca, 12 ounce. Quantity, 50 pieces. And sales, 2,250. So, in total, we have 18,000. For our sample of calculation and profit sharing, capital, 2,000. Sales, 18,000. 20% each, 10% savings. Profit, 90% sales. Capital, 10% savings. 16,200. 1,000 and 1,800 equal 15,200. For our sample of calculation in profit sharing, so in capital spend, each person per 500 pesos, total is per 1,000. Per sales, each person 2,250 with a total of 18,000.
plus 10% savings, 1/8 equal 16,200. For percentage of profit sharing, 20% for profit share, we have 1/9 with a total of 16,200.